Now let me introduce this automatic intelligent coffee machine to you. There are 16 kinds of drinks. Switch machine automatic cleaning, coffee concentration, milk foam. Water can be adjusted. First, pour appropriate amount of water into the tank. Maximum is 1.8 liters. We're using Mcilpoog beans, moderate baking, suitable for black coffee. Built-in grinder. There are 5 levels of adjustment. First, start. Turn on the power and long press the power button for 3 seconds to power up. After startup, the brewing system and the foam system rinse quickly. When cleaning the machine, steam and boiling water flow out. Children are not allowed to touch it. Warning. WS203 has 16 drinks. So let's make a latte first. Pour the milk into the cup. Insert it into the milk tube. Take a hot cup from a warm cup holder. Place the cup on the water tray. Adjust the height of the coffee and milk spout. Click on the screen. Make a latte. And adjust the ratio of coffee, milk, and water to your liking. And you have a nice latte. Then we can do the same thing. Make a cup of Americano. When we have finished using the machine, we need to clean it. Long press the power button to shut down. Select brewing and foam systems for automatic cleaning. Please restore the coffee outlet and milk outlet to their original position before pulling out the water tray. Then pull out the water tray. Press the switch. Open the brewing door and take out the brewing core for cleaning. Then pour away the grounds. Clean the water tray and coffee grounds container. This completes the cleaning of the coffee machine. Thank you for purchasing and using the Mcilpoog coffee maker. We provide 2 years after-sales service. You can feel free to contact us if you have any questions. We have a variety of coffee machines. You deserve it. Mcilpoog. We don't sell coffee machines just because we like them.
Video Shopping Network. An Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product previews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.